Hey friends, how's it going? It's Jonah August here. Today I'm reviewing the brand new Cinepeer Weebill 3E from ZHIYUN. They sent me this gimbal to review, but they do not get to see this video before you guys, so let's jump right into this. Start with a little unboxing. In the kit, of course, you get the gimbal, you get some tripod legs, a base plate to connect to your camera so you can slide it in to the plate of the gimbal, a charging cable, a USB-C cable to connect your camera to the gimbal, a tool for the screw that connects the plate to your camera, so I'm going to build this for you guys in real time so that you can see how long it takes me to set this up. Of course, you'll get more efficient over time as you get more familiar with this gimbal. This video will be cut at certain moments just so you don't have to bear with the struggle. But I found that it wasn't too difficult to put this together and get it balanced in a timely fashion. So we're going to start here with putting the plate onto the bottom of my camera. The Weebill 3E comes equipped with multiple 1/4" screws here at the bottom. So I'm going to attach the tripod legs to it now. I'm going to show you all the different locking points and how to get it prepared to put the camera onto it. There are a few different handles on the plate here so that you can slide it accordingly. Now you're going to want to give yourself enough room to slide the camera in. I have a camera cage on right now, so it makes it a little bit wider. So sit back and relax and watch me finish putting this camera onto the gimbal. You're going to want to try to get it as balanced as perfectly as possible without even having the gimbal on. So it'll allow the gimbal to handle your camera setup in the most efficient way possible. You'll notice that I'll do multiple tests between each balancing point to make sure that it stays balanced even without the gimbal being turned on. So now it's powered this gimbal on. Nice Cinepeer logo shows up. Right off the bat, you're going to want to calibrate the gimbal with the camera. It'll auto-tune for a little while. Your camera will shake and it'll do some funny movements for a sec here, but this is all good. This is part of the process. Now the Cinepeer Weebill 3E has all the gimbal functionality that you find in modern gimbals now. I'm just going through the menu here showing you all the different capabilities, all the custom settings you can do. There's a joystick that you can customize however you like. A trigger record button that works via the USB-C cable, or you can connect the camera to the gimbal via Wi-Fi. A charging port on the side, custom button, and a custom knob wheel. I'll show you all the locking points up close now. Here's the port that you can connect the USB-C cable between the camera and the gimbal. Now this last feature that I want to show you is how you can use the same plate to convert the camera from horizontal to vertical orientation. I found this to be a bit finicky and it actually took me a little while to figure out. I assumed that you could do this quite quickly over time, but as a first try, it did take a while. I'll save your boredom and cut to where I actually got it correct. I found that the tightening knob here hit my base plate, so I had to adjust the base plate to tighten it properly. That's the first downside I've found with the actual physical side of this gimbal. It just takes a bit of finessing, but I did get it eventually. And that's the gimbal in vertical orientation. Now, as you saw from the test video at the beginning, this gimbal performs quite well. Did some tracking shots of my buddy Matt here. He's also a YouTuber. Go check him out at Carly and Matt. Now, when you see these shots where I'm running with Matt, the gimbal performed quite decently, even though I was running backwards, sideways, all different ways, and it did really well. That's everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Curious what you think about this gimbal? Let me know in the comment section below. I've linked it in the description as well, along with all my other gear. Now, a couple last things to mention. The battery time can run up to 16 hours. The payload is around 3 pounds. You can also pick up additional accessories for this, such as the sling grip. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.